everybody, today I'm going to show you how to install our Catalytic Converter Protection Plate. Included with your cat protector, you will find 2 mounting brackets, 4 carriage bolts, a 4" by 1/2" bolt, 3 M10 bolts, and here 3 rib nuts. Your first step is to mount this bracket to the plate using a 3/8 carriage bolt. Look at the subframe. There's a bolt that's at the back of it, and then there's this big hole, and just behind the hole, this is the hole that's in the frame where you should put the rib nut. There's a slotted hole here, and there's another factory hole. You put the second rib nut in here. And in line with the back of the heat shield, there's another hole, and this is where you're gonna put your third rib nut. So the bolt that's on the left of the horseshoe here, we're gonna take it out, reuse it to mount our plate.